First test with the G217. Looks very thick at first view, but very clear also, so first print, we're gonna see. Looks fine for the moment. Very glassy. Cool. This is how it comes after alcohol washing and a bit of compressed air. I've got some bubbles inside. I don't know how to get rid of that for the next time. I'm gonna print another batch to see that. Okay, this is the result after the 5000 grits. I think it just needs just a clear coat to become very glassy. Gonna see that on the next step. This is what it looks like when it's under UV light, and I will show you how it is when it's under daylight. I would say RESIONE G217 is very cool to use because it's easy to print. I had no fail, I repeat, because with some other brands or with the RESIONE K was very hard to get satisfying results. So this one is really adapted even if you begin in 3D printing instead of printing. So I would say yes to the G217. These are my correct settings for the G217. It works alright, and I had zero fail with these settings, so you can take them and apply them with no problem, I guess.